Hey everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks and welcome to day 7 of my 30-day painting challenge. Thank you so much for everyone that's been tuning in, everyone that's bought a painting. I truly appreciate the love and support. So as always, the original painting comes in a gift box and you open it up and it comes with a quick thank you card along with a coupon code that you can use on our website. And once you take off the cellophane to protect it, here's the painting. This was a ton of fun, you guys. This painting is called Star Highway Number 1. It basically is a highway that kind of goes off into the distance in space. And I'm a big Star Wars fan. I'm a big sci-fi nerd, Star Trek, all that stuff. So as always, the painting comes with hand-painted edges, so it looks nice when you hang it on your wall. My signature is on the right-hand side panel. And then on the back, I have my full signature along with an inventory number. And if you are interested in purchasing this original painting, just comment below, comment in the comment section and type in the word sold, S-O-L-D, and I'll send you a payment link and you will officially own this painting. And we do worldwide shipping, so I can ship anywhere your heart desires. And these make really good gifts as well. So thank you all so much for the love and support. I truly appreciate it. You guys are thebomb.com, and I will post another video tomorrow. Have a good one, you guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.